Hey guys, welcome to a new week. This week we're going to kick it back with some review, some skills that we learned back in August and September, and that is working with integer operations. I can't stop. That's my 2-year-old back there, and we're just going to have to make the best of this. And today I'm going to start with our IXL assignment. So we're specifically going to be working with addition and subtraction, integer operations. So let's take a look at our first word problem. Again, before I read, one of the things I want to point out is that it's all about the vocabulary in these word problems. We're going to have to know what the words ascend, which means to rise, descend, which means to move downward. Above sea level means above the number 0. Below sea level means, that's right, below 0. I'm trying to think of a few other terms like deposit. That means we are putting money into our account. Withdraw means that we are taking it out. So we have to think about, what do these words mean in terms of the type of integers we're going to use? All right, so let's look at our first example. The leaderboard at the Marshall Golf Tournament shows that Anna's score was 0 on her first round and 7 on her second round. What was Anna's total score for the 2 rounds? Now, guys, they're starting us off really easy here. We know that the score of 0 plus 7 gives us a score of positive 7. And submit. Fantastic. Okay, number 2. In a trivia competition, Susan had a score of, there's that negative, 100 points. That's right, and Jesus. Okay. Then she answered, yes. Then she answered a few questions from the art category and ended up with a grand total of 200 points. So to get to 200 points, guys, how many points did she have to score? Now, it might be helpful for some of you to draw a number line on a scratch sheet of paper. We know that she started below 0, 100 points. So we know just to get to 0 points, she had to increase by 100 points. Then to make it to 200, we have to add another 200 points. Guys, 100 plus 200 gives us a positive 300. I might do 1 or 2 more here. It says, while hiking, Dan went up 100 meters. Your keyword here is up. That means it's a positive 100. If Dan started at 100 meters below sea level, so that means negative 100 is where he started. Which integer represents his elevation now? So if he's at below 100 meters, 100 meters below sea level, that's negative 100. And he goes up 100. Guys, that's additive inverse. We're adding opposites. Negative 100 plus 100 gives us zilch, 0. He is at sea level. Okay, we'll do this one. At the Campbell Golf Tournament, the leaderboard shows Diego's score as 1 on the front 9 and 4 on the back 9. What was Diego's total score for the rounds? So 1 plus 4 gives us 5. And guys, again, okay, from 800 meters above sea level, again, that means that we are working above 0. And then we see that keyword, Mitchell took off in his helicopter and ascended. That means he's moving upward 100 meters. So if we're above sea level at 800, we move up 100 more. We are now at an elevation of 900. Okay, Laverne made $40 from doing yard work. If she started off with $50, how much did she end up with? So we know if she made or earned, that's money back into her pocket. So $50 is what she started off with, plus 40 gives us 90. This is the one I want to get to, and we're going to stop here, guys. According to his bank statement, Hugo ended the month with a $7,000 balance. If Hugo started the month with a balance, that means he has that money of $6,000. What was the change? Guys, here's what we have to know. Anytime we see that word change, we have to know that means What is the difference? In other words, we're going to have to subtract our two terms. So be careful of this when you're working on this IXL. It says if he started the month with 7,000, we know that means he decreased if he's going to 6,000. It changed, it decreased by $1,000. So what type of sign do you need to make sure you use here? That's right, negative 1,000. And we're going to hit submit. What? My bad, guys. Okay, look, here's Miss Melder making a mistake. It's asking us by how much was the change. I'm assuming they wanted us to use the sign, a negative, to show that it was a decrease, but it's just asking us for the amount. So that's my bad. So as you see here, what they're asking for is the simple change of 1,000. Okay. All right. Well, guys, if you have any questions this week, you know to just ask. I would like for you to achieve a SMART score of 70 or better this week, unless I give you an email stating otherwise or instructions stating otherwise. God bless you guys. I miss you, and I hope you're doing well. Bye.